Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. Today we are addressing a very serious constitutional question that has recently made headlines. Can a High Court stay the order of the Supreme Court? This question arose when the Madras High Court issued an interim stay after the Supreme Court had passed a detailed judgment regarding 10 pending bills in Tamil Nadu. Let's break down this legal development in detail. Legal principle, Supreme Court's authority. Legally and constitutionally, no High Court has the power to stay, override, or nullify a decision of the Supreme Court of India. This principle is firmly established under Article 141 of the Constitution, which states, "The law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts within the territory of India." This means all high courts and lower courts are bound to follow Supreme Court decisions. However, a recent event in Tamil Nadu has created legal curiosity and debate across the country. Background of the Tamil Nadu bills. Let's begin with the background. Between 2020 and 2023, the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly passed 12 bills aimed at removing the governor's role in appointing vice-chancellors of state universities. These bills were sent to Governor R.N. Ravi for his assent. But the governor withheld assent on 10 of those bills, despite the assembly repassing them on 18 November 2023. The Tamil Nadu government filed a writ petition in the Supreme Court alleging that the governor's delay and inaction were unconstitutional. Supreme Court Judgment, 8 April 2025. The Supreme Court delivered its verdict on 8 April 2025 in Case of State of Tamil Nadu vs. Governor of Tamil Nadu, Writ Petition, Civil, number 1-39 of 2023 Bench, Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice R. Mahadevan. Key observations. The Supreme Court held that the governor's delay was unconstitutional and legally untenable. Using its powers under Article 142, the court ruled that all 10 bills would be deemed to have received assent on 18 November 2023, the day they were resubmitted. The court emphasized that governors must act as soon as possible under Article 200 and cannot delay indefinitely. The judgment clearly upheld constitutional morality and cooperative federalism. Following the judgment, the Tamil Nadu government issued a Gazette notification enacting all 10 laws. Madras High Court Order 21 May 2025. Now comes the controversial twist. On 21 May 2025, the Madras High Court issued an interim stay on the implementation of these 10 acts. Bench, Justice G.R. Swaminathan and Justice V. Lakshmi Narayanan. Petitioner, K. Venkatachalapthi, a BJP functionary. Allegation: the acts violate UGC regulations, especially Regulation 7.3, which empowers the Chancellor, usually the Governor, to appoint Vice-Chancellors. The court admitted the PIL and granted interim relief by staying the enforcement of the appointment-related clauses in these laws. Is the High Court order against the Supreme Court? Now the big question is, did the Madras High Court defy the Supreme Court's order? The answer is no, but it's complicated. The Supreme Court judgment focused on the legality of the governor's conduct and deemed that the bills had received assent. The Madras High Court's stay is on the implementation of the law, not on the Supreme Court's declaration of assent. The High Court is examining whether the provisions of these acts are in conflict with UGC regulations, which fall under the concurrent list and attract Article 254. Therefore, technically, the High Court has not stayed the SC order, but it has stayed the operation of the state acts that emerged from that SC ruling. This raises a constitutional grey area. Can a High Court question the enforceability of laws that the SC has deemed valid? The answer lies in future appeals or clarificatory proceedings before the Supreme Court itself. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the Supreme Court's judgments are binding, High Courts can examine whether state acts conform to central laws like UGC regulations. But even then, they cannot overrule or disregard Supreme Court rulings. The issue is likely to return to the Supreme Court for clarity and finality. This case is a classic example of the constitutional tug-of-war between the legislature, executive, and judiciary, and it reaffirms the need for clear lines of authority and mutual respect between institutions. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.